I want to talk about your DevOps. You talk about
Yeah.
culture hacks, DevOps. I want to hear what your thoughts are in that world.
Yeah, it's interesting. We at Small Footprint, we got into Agile sort of around the same time everyone else did. Let's say 8, 9 years ago, and been doing pretty well with that. And then all of a sudden, sort of this DevOps thing started happening a few years ago, and like I think the rest of the world, I was really looking at it as, okay, I have to figure out which tools I have to learn. We have to figure out how to get people trained. We have to figure out how it's going to change our processes and everything. And as we were doing this, we realized, especially now, a lot of those decisions have gotten really easy, and it's really sort of the way DevOps affects your culture and the way your culture can actually impact how you are successful with DevOps. Because ultimately, it's changing how people in the organization are working and what they're responsible for. So it was really a kind of a light bulb effect about a year and a half ago when I was really talking to the organization and to our customers about DevOps and kind of realizing, gosh, the tools aren't even the biggest challenge. It's the people. And so it's really been impactful. And I'll tell you, we continue to work today on how we have to change our culture to really embrace DevOps. And as you know, I'm sure, whenever you're implementing anything new, you kind of start looking at your tech debt, looking at those old projects that you were working on, and realizing, okay, it's not as simple as taking that, piece of code and putting it into your Git repository and spinning up a Jenkins instance. It's really about getting folks to think differently.